Your Diabetic Roadmap: Weight Gain, Complications, and Daily Life Hacks. Diabetes isn't just about managing blood sugar, it's about protecting your entire body for the long haul. In this vital final episode, we'll dive deep into the long-term complications of diabetes, explaining exactly how they impact your organs and what tests you need to stay ahead. We'll also specifically address the challenge of weight gain in diabetes and share practical tips for daily monitoring, managing your care team, and truly thriving with this condition. This is your roadmap to a healthier future. Deeper dive into chronic complications and their management from episode 1, but with more detail on prevention monitoring. Heart disease, stroke, regular blood pressure, cholesterol checks, statins, aspirin, if prescribed. Kidney disease, nephropathy, annual urine tests, microalbuminuria, blood tests, eGFR. Importance of blood pressure control. Eye disease, retinopathy, annual dilated eye exams. Early detection is key. Nerve damage, neuropathy, daily foot checks, proper foot care, regular podiatrist visits. Mention pain management, foot problems, why they're serious, prevention through care, proper shoes. Skin and oral health issues, increased infection risk, importance of hygiene. Hearing impairment, awareness. Diabetic weight gain, detailed strategies, causes recap. Insulin's role, medication side effects. Strategies, intensified lifestyle, medication review, discussing weight-neutral loss options with doctor like metformin, GLP-1 RAs, SGLT2 inhibitors, strict portion control, consistent activity. Living well with diabetes, practical advice and empowerment, blood glucose monitoring, home monitoring, glucometer use. Continuous glucose monitoring, CGM, technology and benefits. Importance of tracking data for patterns. Regular checkups in your care team. General practitioner, endocrinologist, dietitian, diabetes educator, podiatrist, ophthalmologist, mental health professional. HbA1c. Explain what it is and why it's crucial for long-term control. Sick day rules, what to do when ill. Mental health. Acknowledge the emotional burden, seeking support. Travel tips, planning for medication, food emergencies. Staying informed and advocacy. Keep learning, ask questions, be your own advocate. Call to action. Congratulations on completing our diabetes journey. You now have a comprehensive understanding of diabetes, its management, and how to protect your long-term health. Remember, knowledge is power. Share this series with anyone who needs it and subscribe for more empowering health content. Your health journey starts now. Looking to the future. As we wrap up, remember to aim for progress, not perfection. Every step forward counts towards better health. Embrace the changes and challenges, knowing you have the tools and support to succeed. Thank you for joining us. Your dedication creates a ripple effect of positivity and health for yourself and others around you. We're proud of you for being proactive about your health. Until next time, stay informed and stay empowered.